Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create multiple Facebook accounts. Firstly, open a web browser and visit facebook.com. Log in with your main account if you're not already signed in. Click on the profile picture icon in the top right corner and from the drop-down menu select See All Profiles. In the Select Profile menu, choose Create New Profile. On the Welcome screen, just select Get Started. Under What do you want to go by, enter a profile name. A username will be auto-generated based on your profile name. You can accept this or create a custom one. Now, once the form is complete, click Continue. Review the details on the important profile information screen and select Create Profile. After creating your profile, you'll be redirected to the new profile page. Follow the guided steps to add photos, join Facebook groups, follow pages, add friends, or manage profile settings. If you don't want to complete these steps immediately, just click Next to each step to select Finish to exit. If you plan to create additional profiles, note that Facebook enforces a 72-hour waiting period before allowing the creation of another profile. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.